All right, good morning. Day 10. Day 10. This has flown by. Yeah, so I got a good night's rest last night. It was still drizzling when I set up the tent and everything, and it went throughout the night. But this morning, the sun was out. It's a beautiful day. It smells wonderfully like pine in this campsite here. There's not too many people here, maybe like 5 or so. Yeah, so slept great. Kind of drying things out this morning as much as I can. I know it's not going to be fully dry, but like leaving the tent set up a little bit longer than I normally would, since I won't be using it again. I'll be in a hotel for 2 nights in Boston, and then I'll be driving back. So I'll just kind of drying things out. I think I have some wet socks and stuff I'm just going to put in a dry bag so I don't get anything wet in my bags, and then I'll just dry them out in the hotel so there's not wet, stinky stuff. Yeah, great morning, just sitting here, relaxing. I need to plan what hotel I'm staying at, figure that out. Yeah, I'm making some coffee here too for breakfast since I have time. I don't think I've done that in the morning in a while. Usually I do that at the first stop, so that's gonna be great to have. I did find a place to charge my battery. I didn't do anything last night. I just left it because, like I said, I'm only doing 60 miles. And it wasn't even completely empty when I got here. And I don't really want to have a full battery charge when I get there anyway. So I'm not going to, I don't need to charge it for like 3 hours. Yeah, behind me, back there by that porta potty, there's a yurt that they rent out, but it's like under construction or something. And I saw last night when I pulled in, there's a light there with a with a GFCI outlet at the bottom. So I just plugged in there this morning, just carried the bag over there with the charger. Hopefully no one gives me flack about it, especially the people there working, because it says like area closed, but I didn't really go into the yurt itself, which I think is the area that they have closed off. But anyway, I'm gonna enjoy my coffee here and get packed up and probably leave within the next hour here and get everything squared away. But beautiful morning, loving it. I wish I could just hang out here all day. There were lots of bugs and gnats when I got here last night, and there's not any this morning, knock on wood. So I'm just enjoying the beautiful woods here and the tent village behind me. They must have been here for a while. Anyway, all right, I'm gonna finish this coffee here. Well, I knew I was gonna have to wash the bike off. It was just caked in mud and sand and grit from all the days it rained and everything, and the trails. So I was gonna try and find like a DIY car wash kind of deal where you can wash your own car. But I found this faucet here leaving the park, and gave it a nice water bottle bath. Kind of just scrubbed it down with my hands. It's way cleaner than it was. It's amazing. And the bags too. The bags were almost gray because they were just covered in the dust from the trails and everything. So should be much nicer. I know it's going to get dirty riding, but not as bad as it was in the rain and everything. So it looks much nicer, and I'll feel less bad wheeling it into the hotel lobby. So all right, time to go now after the bike bath. a nice little path. It's getting the bike all dirty again. What a lovely day for biking. The sun's finally out. It's kind of had a lot of overcast. And the last several days have been overcast and just spotty rain, so it's nice to just have a bright, sunny summer day, especially my final day. I kind of want to just keep going, but at the same point, I am soon to be finished with this journey, so I can put a cap on it, finish it off, and enjoy a day and a half in Boston. I have to ride my bike over to the airport. I know there's like tunnels and stuff that go right from downtown, but I think it's like 10 miles around I can ride around. I saw some bike lanes and stuff to get there. Didn't pick that rental car up Saturday morning. Drive back to Indiana to my truck and then drive home from there. So, anyway, I'm gonna enjoy the heck out of this day and take in all the sights and sounds and smells and just enjoy myself. All right, I just stopped for lunch here at the Atlantic Sea Grill. It was pretty good. I had a lobster slider and clam chowder, you know, when in Boston. I'm sure this won't be my last either while I'm here. So yeah, it was pretty good. It's about 1:45, so I'm making good time. I can't check in till like 3 or 4 anyway, and I'm gonna stop at a few sites on my way into town. So just taking it easy, and about maybe 20-25 miles left. Not bad. It's still a gorgeous day out. It's kind of overcast now. It was very sunny this morning. All right, I'm gonna hit the trail. Very cool. I'm on the Minuteman Trail here, checking out some history. This is the start of where the Revolutionary War started in 1775. Amazing. This is really cool. I guess you can ride your bike on it too, which is nice. So I'm going to be checking this out here. Awesome. So I'm sure there's a bazillion historical things in Boston here, but man, this Militia Road thing is really cool because it shows you're actually going down the road that existed at that time, Battle Road. It was called Bay Road before that. But you're kind of following the historical significance, and they have a timeline as the British, you know, were retreating to Boston, and it's kind of cool. And all the things that happen along the way, and the houses and stuff. And you can ride your bike or walk or do whatever. So really, really cool. A lot of information. It's probably better on the bike because stuff is kind of spaced out. But it's like I don't know. I think it's around 5 miles or something. Very cool though. Very worth checking out. All right, I'm gonna continue on towards downtown. That's the door. It's my bike. It can't go that way because that's where the bed is. There's no, maybe I could squeeze it in over here somehow. Take all the bags off. But yeah, it doesn't go in all the way. All right, I made it to my hotel in downtown Boston here. Man, it was crazy riding in. That last, like, there's bike paths that lead all the way in, but that last 7 miles or so was like an interstate of bikes and joggers. Like, everyone's doing 18, 20 miles an hour on the paths, weaving in and out of people. It was crazy. It was pretty stressful, but it was also fun. So got into downtown here, checked into my hotel. Man, it's been a great 10 days. It's been crazy. It's just flown by because literally all day long I've been biking. So the time is just flying by. It seems like in the moment it's taking a long time, but once you come to it, I can't even believe it's done. It's crazy. It was a great trip. I'm glad I did it. Never been out this way. Covered a lot of ground that I've never seen before, and kind of scouted out some of the Erie Canal for a potential acoustic bike trip. So yeah, sad to be done, but happy to be done. I'm gonna enjoy myself and relax today and tomorrow. Check out some more sites and stuff, and then pick up my rental car at the airport tomorrow, or on Saturday, and drive back to the South Bend, Indiana airport where my truck is, and drive the rest of the way home. So it's been great, and I'll kind of be reflecting on it the next couple days here, and while I'm enjoying myself. So I guess I will see you on the next one.